So hello guys, for today's tutorial is on how to draw a conic in Solidworks. So for that we need to go to our Solidworks page. So click on part and click on OK. Then as per our regular procedure, select all the planes and click on show. Then I need to draw the front plane. So I'm selecting here the front plane and click on sketch. Then select the ellipse arrow and you'll divert it to your conic option. Then select this conic. You can see also in here the screen. Select conic, just select the center and any radial point, and you can get the conic here. So you can also rotate these points, then you can get the exact conic points. So this is our conic. You can move its radius to any direction. You can see also here I can shift also the base points and also the position of the one point. So this is our today's tutorial how to draw a conic. So thank you.